Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are diving into one of the most fascinating and slightly scary topics in modern medicine. But don't worry, we are going to make this fun and easy to understand. I am Naziha Imran, and this is the story of how some tiny creatures learned to fight back. Meet our two main characters in this drama. On one side, we have Mr. Bacteria. He's been around for billions of years and is quite the survivor. On the other side, we have antibiotics, the superhero medicines that have been saving lives for decades. It's like a microscopic Marvel versus DC, but with higher stakes. Let me tell you something about bacteria. They are the primitive beings. We can say that they are present on the earth since day one. They are of different kinds, or we can say different species. They are present all around us, in forests, in oceans. Here is the fun fact that might make you feel a little bit crowded. There are more bacterial cells in your body than human cells. Most of them are actually good neighbors. They help with digestion, protect your skin, and keep us healthy. They are like friendly neighborhood watch of your body. They are present all around us. Don't hit the panic button yet. Some of them are the good ones. We call them as good bees. But some of them are bad. Think of good bacteria as busy bees in a garden. They are essential, but sometimes a few bad apples sneak in and cause trouble. The problem isn't bacteria themselves. It's when the wrong ones show up at the party and start breaking things. They are involved in causing infections like pulmonary infection, skin infection, gut infection. Furthermore, children are more susceptible to them. So what do? We use antibiotics. Enter antibiotics, the superhero cleaners. When bad bacteria crash our body's party, antibiotics come in like professional bouncers to show them the door. For decades, this worked perfectly, but recently something strange started happening. Now the bacteria are becoming resistant to antibiotics. Meet Alexander Fleming, the brilliant scientist who discovered penicillin. He is like the Tony Stark of antibiotics. Penicillin was the greatest victory of all time in the field of healthcare. But he gave us a warning straight out of a sci-fi movie. If we misuse antibiotics, especially by not taking them the full course, bacteria could become resistant. It's like he saw the plot twist coming 80 years ago. And here is the plot twist. Some bacteria started developing resistance. It's likely they went to antibiotic boot camp and came out with super armor. When we don't finish antibiotic course, we are basically training the bacteria to become stronger. It's the ultimate practice makes perfect horror story. Charles Darwin called it survival of the fittest. The bacteria that survive antibiotic attacks pass on their resistant genes. It's like nature's version of a video game where the bosses keep leveling up each time you almost defeat them. Some mutations in the bacteria are completely useless, but some are efficient, like the presence of a flux pump, which helps the bacteria to get rid of antibiotics, and some bacteria mutate their receptor sites. Now here is where it gets really clever. Bacteria share resistance like teenagers share memes. They pass resistance to their kids through vertical gene transfer, or they can transfer it through conjugation. Furthermore, the bacteria can pick up DNA from the environment. They are basically the social networkers of microscopic world. Unfortunately, a strain known as MRSA has become resistant. It is actually a resistant strain. It is resistant to one of the most renowned antibiotics, called as methicillin and oxacillin. Now we will understand how this problem is becoming so common. The major reason is not completing the antibiotic course and leaving it in between. Sometimes using the medicine, the antibiotics, without prescription is a problem, but sometimes antibiotics get prescribed when they are not needed at all. It's like using a fire hose to water your houseplants, overkill, and creates a mess. When we take antibiotics for viral infection like colds, it's like bringing a knife to a water balloon fight, wrong tool for the job. This isn't just related to humans. If chickens are given antibiotics, the medicine doesn't just disappear. Over time, bacteria inside the bodies can adapt and become resistant. It can also become the part of meat we consume. When we consume such chicken, these resistant bacteria can enter our own system. This doesn't mean the antibiotic itself causes the infection, but it can make infections like gut infections much harder to treat. That's why responsible farming and reduced antibiotics are so important for protecting our own health. The meat is exported as well. The resistant strain thus can affect many countries. When we flush unused medicine or factories release waste, antibiotics enter our waterways. It's like turning our rivers and lakes into our training grounds for superbacteria. We definitely don't want to create an aquatic boot camps for them. And antimicrobial resistance is a silent threat. It's a silent pandemic, threatening to make common infections untreatable and deadly. How we can stop this? We can use different techniques. But here is the good news. We can fight back. The solution is like maintaining a healthy garden. Prevention is better than cure. Using antibiotics only when necessary. It's about being smart guardians of these medical marvels, so they work when we really need them. We can stop this by using other treatments, like phage therapy can be used. Furthermore, vaccines are also a good option. Furthermore, excess use of antibiotics should be diminished, and hygiene practice shall be maintained. The industries shall not throw the waste directly in the environment. They should treat them first. Remember, we are all in this together. By being antibiotic guardians, we can ensure these medicines keep working for generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this microscopic adventure. Thank you.